A lot of shopping happens online during the holiday season. We often find ourselves buying from sites we haven't used before. That means more sites have our personal information. Unfortunately, that carries risks that most people don't think about. In this video, we'll introduce you to 3 simple tips you can use to help keep your account safe. Coming up next. Password security is more important than most people realize. Unfortunately, most people rely on simple text-based passwords and frequently use the same password across multiple internet sites. If you're doing that, we urge you to discontinue the practice and begin implementing the following strategies immediately. Number 1, use password managers. Many of us use the same password on multiple sites. This can be a huge security risk. Password managers allow you to keep track of different passwords on each site you visit. Most password manager software has an option to generate and store a unique password every time you create a new account. This makes it simple to stop the habit of using the same password over and over. Number 2, two-factor SMS authentication. SMS authentication is a common form of two-factor authentication and is highly recommended. Basically, in addition to entering your password, you'll receive a text message with a code you'll need to enter before you can gain access to whatever website you're logging on to. Number 3, change passwords often. If you're not changing your password at regular intervals, you're not doing yourself any favors. We recommend changing your passwords to maximize security and be sure not to recycle or reuse old passwords from other websites. It doesn't pay to take chances where password security is concerned. If you put these 3 tips into practice starting today, you'll be miles ahead of the pack where internet security is concerned. If you have questions about your computer and network security, give our team a call. We are glad to help.